Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can apply to the jobs that are posted in LinkedIn. I have searched and found these jobs and I want to apply in one of them. To apply on the jobs, you need to keep in mind there are the two types of the jobs. You can see some of the jobs have the easy apply option and some of the jobs do not have this little icon on them. So this means they are not the easy apply jobs. The difference between these two jobs is that you can apply to the job within LinkedIn, but the other one, just like this one, to apply on this job, you need to go to their website to apply on the job. So first let me show you how you can apply on the easy apply. And here you click on the easy apply. And here it will ask you for your email address, your country code and your mobile number. I'm going to put my mobile number here and click on next. I have already uploaded this resume on my profile, so it is showing here. If you haven't uploaded in your profile yet, you can always choose this option. Now click on next. And here are some of the additional questions. Just answer to them accordingly. Now click on review. In the last step, you can review everything that you have answered or you have provided and click on the submit application to apply for the job. And now it will show you that your application was sent to Assemble Works Incorporation. And now I will show you how to apply on the job that do not have any easy apply option. I'm choosing this one and click on the apply button. It will take you to the company website where you can apply. You can click on the apply now option and provide the information accordingly. And that's how you apply on the jobs in LinkedIn. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you liked the video, make sure to leave thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.